Here's how you can flip and rotate a video in CapCut Web Online. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can exactly flip and rotate a video in CapCut on your PC or Web Online, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you simply need to go to CapCut, and yeah, this is exactly what the interface looks like. So you simply need to drag the video down right over here in the editing area, and right over here you'll see some options. So right over here it says rotate. So if you press rotate, it will rotate the video just like that, and you can simply rotate it right over here. And if you want to like do customization rotation, you can simply put any type of rotate you would like to, let's say 268, and yeah, here we go. And you can pretty much put in any type of rotations you would like to, just like 700, and here we go. And you can also do the same for position, and also for the X and Y as well. Yeah, there we go. And this is pretty much it on how you can flip and rotate a video on CapCut Web Online. So if this video actually helped you out, please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.